The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus showcases a refined design, emphasizing both aesthetics and durability. It features a glass back and an aluminum frame, which give it a premium feel and enhance its durability. The use of Gorilla Glass Victus on the back adds an extra layer of protection against scratches and minor drops. The aluminum frame not only provides structural integrity, but also contributes to a sleek and elegant look. Despite its large size, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is designed to be comfortable to hold. The device has a smooth finish that feels good in the hand, and the weight is well distributed, making it less cumbersome to use. The slightly curved edges further improve the grip, ensuring that the phone doesn't slip easily. The front of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is dominated by a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, featuring a small punch-hole cutout for the selfie camera. This design choice maximizes the screen real estate, offering an immersive viewing experience. The display supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which provide vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it ideal for media consumption. 120Hz refresh rate offers sharp visuals and smooth scrolling. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process. This octa-core CPU ensures smooth performance for both demanding tasks and daily operations too. The Adreno 710 GPU handles graphics efficiently, providing a fluid experience for gaming and media consumption. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus boasts a versatile camera setup that's perfect for both photography enthusiasts and casual users. The primary camera features optical image stabilization and phase detection autofocus, capturing detailed and vibrant photos. The 50-megapixel telephoto lens offers 2.5x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subjects without losing quality. Also, there is a 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main camera delivers excellent image quality with rich colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The telephoto camera performs well for portrait shots, and the ultra-wide camera maintains good color accuracy and detail across the frame. This phone supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, providing high-resolution footage. With a capacity of 6,200 mAh, the 14 Pro Plus offers impressive battery longevity. Users can expect to comfortably get through a full day and even into the next with moderate to heavy usage. One of the standout features is its 90-watt fast charging capability. This technology allows the battery to charge from 0% to 100% in just around 30 minutes. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus strikes a great balance between performance, design, and price, making it an attractive option for a wide range of users seeking a reliable and feature-packed smartphone.